I'm back. So I did film a lot of videos since October, but I lacked the energy to actually edit them and post them, and then most of them revolved around like the holidays and Christmas time at Disney and Halloween at Disney, which I did post a Halloween video, which you should check out. But yeah, so now it's January and we're just gonna do a fresh, clean slate, new year. Maybe my New Year's resolution is to post more videos, but we have something very unique in store today. We're going to Animal Kingdom, except we're not riding any rides. Well, maybe a few, but the main purpose of today's visit is to just see every single animal that Animal Kingdom has to offer, and then go to Rafiki's Planet Watch and explore that area, because not enough people do that. So come along as we explore the parts of Animal Kingdom that no one ever does. We're here, and I am gonna go ahead and head on in and hit all of the animals first, and then Rafiki's Planet Watch last. So yes, let's go. Bye. Almost forgot my ears. Okay, let's go for real now. Done with the first and only ride of the day. Feminine charms made him take down his guard, and he didn't actually check my bag. He just unzipped it and zipped it back. Using my secret hack to get in the park without waiting in any of the lines. I love everything in this store. There's Tracy.
Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome Suzanne, Safari of 3. Please approach.
She doesn't talk anymore. Super secret hack to the Rainforest Cafe in the morning, and you get the scenic route, but also the line. And I need a map. Find the animal. Okay, so here's the map, and I'm gonna hit everything that's in the entrance area. So I'm gonna go see all the different bird and anteater and babirusa in this area. If you check the app, there's extra exhibits here and here. So that's where I'm gonna go to first. This is the African spoonbill, and then they have the roseate spoonbill right there. Ooh. Trying to get it focused. There we go. And then back there is some sort of swan with a black head. I'll go find what its tag says. African spoonbill and roseate. Apparently it's a black-necked swan. There's another one over here. There's other duckies in there, but it doesn't say what kind they are. They're so cute, especially this one. Aww. But it doesn't say what they are. Oh my god. That one's so angry. This member's walking by with cages, and there's roseate spoonbills in there. Aw. They're playing in the water. No muntjac, but there is fishies. Out too, FYI. so cold outside. I do not think that half of these animals are out right now, but that's in the wallaby exhibit though. That's kind of cool. All of these guys have blue beaks, so cute. It's relatively bouncy. It gives a good view of this pond as well. And water. Wow. Into the cave. Wow, so pretty. Ever been here when they had the parrots out? Away they flew. Never seen the kangaroos out either. That's so cool. What? They're so sleepy. It's too cold for the lemurs to go outside. So it's empty out here. It's too cold outside for him. Discovery Island update. We got most of them so far up to the kangaroo. So we still need to get the otter, the catfish, whatever that is, a tamarin. But they moved the turtle from here over to this side, so I already saw that as well. But he's hiding. But I'm gonna compare it to the app. There's some animals on the app that aren't on the map for some reason. So, yes. It's too cold for them outside, so they're not here. But they have a little water slide when they are. So impressively big. Oh my god. This is where the tamarins usually go, but it's too cold today. There's cast members back there though. Never mind, I guess they have two tortoises. I think I've seen these before on their Animal Kingdom TV show that they had, but no one ever comes back here. Cold for them anyway, so This is such a scenic area for like photos and videos. More people should come back here. You guys are getting some good selfie inspo. So apparently these trails lead to the exit for It's Tough to Be a Bug, so that's why no one usually comes back here. But now I see projector number 1 for the show at the end of the day in the parks. But it's so scenic over here, oh my gosh. You guys need to come here on your next trip. Kevin! Here. Oh my gosh.
That's at the very end of the day.
Goodbye, Kevin. Okay, so we've done everywhere in the Oasis, Dinoland U.S.A, Discovery Island, and now I'm in Asia. And so I'm going to, I already saw the gibbons, but then I'm going to see this trail, which will knock 4 off of the list. And then maybe if the bird shows on, I'll do that. And then it will be safari time. Oh! But hey, the gibbons were being pretty active, and that's kind of cool. He's so happy. We saw so many. That was so much fun. We saw so many of the cool ones too. Safari time. Ooh. I got a drink. It's some sort of berry freeze drink and then a bag of Doritos to fuel up while I'm waiting for feather flight and fun. So I'm gonna refuel while I'm waiting 30 minutes for it to start.
Several days later.
Okay, sometimes when parents live in the home with people, they hear people talking all day and they copy those sounds. It sounds a lot like a human talking like this. Do you want to give everybody a great big hello? Okay, you did that with your mouth full. Can you try that again? Why don't you give everybody a great big hello? That was a little better. Okay, now, yes. All parents have the ability to copy human sounds, but guess what? Most never copy any human sounds. Brownville, though, is like the champion of all talking pairs, so let's see if he wants to show off. Are you ready? Yeah, here we go. Are you ready? You ready? You know what? He missed one line in that song, but I don't think anybody noticed that. But he did. He did such a good job. And what's really amazing is he not only knows the words to Camptown Races, he knows the lyrics to about 7 songs from beginning to end. I know, pretty cool, right? So somebody, you guys want to hear another song? Okay. Wow, you're being really great. They're being great. Do you want to give everybody a kiss? Good stuff, he said. Okay, Grandpa, you're doing a great job. You sang Camptown Races, and now you can pick from any of the other songs that you'd like to share with everybody, okay? Are you ready? You want to sing again? Here we go. Good. Ready? Oh, that was a really good start. Oh, I saw. That's just the gas hawk. You're totally fine. Yeah, that's a birding joke. Okay, all right, are you ready? Need another kiss? Thank you. Would you like to sing? You ready? Here we go. Ready? Here we go. did. Awesome job. We'd like to leave you with one final wish. May your hearts take flight and your spirits soar forever. Namaste. Thank you all so much.
It's 100 minutes.
Jumbo, everyone, my name is Megan. I will be your safari guide for today's trek through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. We are now entering the Little Ituri Forest. Animals in the forest tend to be a little bit more shy and reclusive. They'll use the forest's natural foliage as sort of camouflage to hide from predators. So they might be a little bit harder to spot, but I'll try and point them out. Over here to the right, we've got no copy. While the okapi looks like it would be related to the zebra with those striped legs, it actually is not, but it is very closely related to the giraffe. It's got the same bone structure and same long prehensile tongue that allows it to pull leaves off of trees and bushes. Eating off trees and bushes does make that animal a browser while grazers eat grasses. Kind of an interesting distinction between different types of herbivores. Saddle-billed stork sitting down. Bongos are known as the ghosts of the forest because they are rarely. Two different animals on the right here. First, we've got those pink-backed pelicans. The pink-backed pelican is named for the pink spot that appears on its back during its nesting season. We also have these Nile hippos. Nile hippos spend most of their time in the water to keep cool. They can stay underwater for about 8 minutes at a time without coming up for air.
The safari was very fun, very nice. Sat up in the front. These are my favorite animals of all time. The okapi is my favorite, and I love it so much. That's why there's such a long video of it. date. It's 4 p.m. so there's 3 hours until park close, and I still haven't been to Rafiki's Planet Watch, but I'm going there now. Going into the cave again. The last train leaves at 4:30, so I just barely made it, like 30 minutes to. Oh, it's a little moo cow. He's so fluffy and cute. Here. They have a little playground. It's so cute. Why he's itchy.
Gotta be gentle.
Yeah, I see it. Look. They're all getting fed as soon as I wash my hands and leave. We're gonna knock her over. It's not in use at all, but they have, you know, trainings here sometimes. It's not time for that at all, but they also just have idle television of conservation for children. But you can see they have like enrichment for possible animals to come out, like maybe a sugar glider or something, which is super cool. Oodles are fun. Little guy in here. Oh, the shine. You can kind of see it. Oh, it's so cute. I love. Supposedly a Komodo dragon because we didn't see the other one earlier. And there it is. Oh, it's looking at me. It's so cute.
Welcome, friends, to the animation experience at Conservation Station.
Sketch artists because information can be messy and have fun. Just getting that personality down here on paper. Now for a flick though, we're going to start with this nice big.
Please gather your personal belongings before exiting, and remember to take your artwork with you.
I didn't get to see everything, but I didn't get to see everything because I decided to do the drawing thing. But I did a really good drawing, and who knows, now I have to come back and go see all the animals. I didn't get to finish seeing all the animals, but next time for sure, maybe I'll make a whole video that's just doing everything in Rafiki's Planet Watch. But now I have to wait for every single person that's in there to go and get on the train so that it can leave. Okay, anyway. Yep, I didn't get to do everything, but at least I saw most of the animals. I saw all the animals in the park and most of the animals in Rafiki's Planet Watch. So yay! It's so quiet, there's nobody around. The train leaves at 5:15, it's 5:13, but we still have to wait for everybody because it's the last train of the day. But I think I might try and hit another attraction before I go because I did what I wanted to. But if not, I want to go to Rainforest Cafe, and that's it. So, update you on what I choose. Bye! We're going up to the front. Frontmost part of the train, and maybe we can see what's behind that they're hiding.
We are now beginning our return trip to the African town of Harambe. For your safety, please remain seated and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train.
I think I'm gonna go on Dinosaur because I don't know how long I have until they close it. I didn't even see these guys here on my journey. I can't see the tortoise, but I missed an animal, but I got it now.
The Earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. With one additional passenger, extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Dang, it's nighttime! Hopefully this isn't my last dinosaur visit before it closes, but if it is, farewell. Next time I visit, I should also go in the boneyard, because that's another thing that barely anybody does. Going to Discovery Island. Yummy Rainforest Cafe food. Wait, hold up. What happened? So basically, last night after Rainforest Cafe, I was so tired that I just started heading that way, and I got on the tram and they called for no further boarding, and then some dad was like, no, my family is not missing this tram, and he ran up to it, which made them have to hit the emergency brake. And then one of the cast members was just like, I'm gonna be honest with you folks, the procedure says that we can't move forward after using the emergency brake until the manager of the trams comes out, and that's gonna take a while. So we recommend everybody just go ahead and walk to your cars now. Sorry for the inconvenience. Beep. And I was like, it's so cold and dark outside. But I did it anyway. I walked to my car and then I drove back, and when I got back, I was gonna film this. I was gonna film the video and the outro, but then I was so tired that I went immediately to sleep. So now it's next morning. I'm working on college homework and stuff, but I'm gonna edit this video and upload it to YouTube as soon as I can. And see you guys in the next one. Bye!